Imagine standing at the edge of a drag racing track. The air is thick with excitement and the scent of burning rubber. Strapped into the cockpit of a powerful drag racing car, the rumble of the engine ignites your adrenaline.
Lose yourself, yeah, right here in this moment. You ready to feel what it's like.
With the starting lights looming ahead, your heart races in sync with the engine. You've not just raced, you've soared.
So meron tayong bisita tonight, si Ace, ng Powerhouse Race Specialist. So nagpunta siya dito, kasi tumawag ako sa kanya. Hindi, tumawag siya sa akin. Sabi niya, kinakamusta niya yung karera ko the last time. Yung dala ko yung BTI na fresh from marketplace. Tapos, napakawalang yata talaga eh. Pinasarap ako. Ito si Ace. Ang puta. Ito si Ace, oh.
Hindi. Kasi, ilang taon ko na kumakarera?
Tagal na.
Nasa hat-trick ka pa din.
Ay, nagsa-sportsman naman ako.
So, eto. Meron tayong kotse.
Okay.
Mayroon ko sa'yo. Gamitin mo. Pag naka-Smith to, Pro Class. So, ngayon, naka-Neova lang. Pang-expert.
Baka naman di ko ma-drive na maayos yan.
Tanga mo pag di mo na-drive na maayos. Bait ng kotse. At sino nagda-drive niya? Sila Pepe, sila Dave, sila Jeremy. Hindi na-drive yan.
Puro legend ah.
So, dapat, kaya mo rin.
Ano mo, naisip ko nga eh. Pag hindi pa rin ako naging masaya sa performance ko, no? Siguro aminin ko na sarili ko na tangin na, matanda na tayo.
Okay.
Our reflexes are not that.
Merong mas matanda pa sa atin na kumakarera ka din.
Sabagay.
Okay lang yan.
Ilang sabayan? 215?
Tangina mo, di kita mapahiramin ng 215 na kotse.
Ilan pala yan?
255.
255 wheel. Ano yan? K24?
K24.
Natin. Ito pala, endurance car.
Yes. So,
Nakatapos to?
hindi ka nakasimula kasi napupunta. hindi rin nakapag-quali kasi...
Kaya, tingnan mo na. Ano?
Hindi kami nakapag-quali kasi naputulan kami ng axle.
Okay.
Sunod-sunod yung mga nangyari kasi nga nung endurance na yon, parang 4 days lang namin siyang binuo. Naisipan, sumali na yun. So, kulang sa oras.
Well, the old powerhouse way.
Yeah, so ngayon at least ready na siya. Naikot na ng Clark. So ngayon nakapag-circuit tayo na suspension.
17s na?
17s lang. Pero kaya na bitbitin. Naka-type bar transmission.
Paano naging 255 to?
Naka-cam yan.
Okay.
Tapos naka-intake na malaki. Prato na malaki. ESP na header. Sobrang simple lang.
Ito yung mga turnkey builds mo, di ba?
Yes.
Sa shop.
Yes. Ito yung mga basic na in-offer natin.
So, ito kinakabahan ako dito eh. Pag ako natuwa, puta
Oo ka na.
Taginan to yung style ng puta. Ang galing, no? May free trial.
Oo. Kasi magsawa ka na sa hot street. Yun lang naman. Yun lang yung point ko. Diba?
Hindi, kaya naman ako sumasasi kasi wala akong ibang coach magamit.
hindi ka sa akin lumapit. So, kung lumapit ka noon, ito na ginamit ko.
So, yun. So, ngayong 15 yung karera ngayong Saturday. So, I'll bring this car to Clark International Speedway on Saturday, madaling araw. May aircon to?
Wala, syempre.
Okay, walang aircon. So, yun, madaling araw nga ako aalis. May ilaw, kompleto.
Kompleto.
So, para hindi ako mainitan. Tsaka mukha naman siya kotse. Ayun, oo.
Ano ba yung standard mo ng mukhang kotse, puta?
May upuan, may dashboard.
Tangina, buo na yan eh.
May tutor sa loob.
Gago?
Ayun, may tutor.
Gago.
Wala kang tutor.
Ikaw na maganda. So, start na siya.
Oh.
Kill switch.
Okay.
Kill switch on. Ignition, fuel pump, fan. Wala na.
Ano to una?
Yan ang start button.
Ah, okay. Start.
Oh, so,
Tangina mo yung pa ako nasa ilalim.
hindi lang po ng gate. Ay, naiya ako sa'yo. Walang gate. Nag-iikot lang ako.
Anong RPM nito?
So, place lang ang fuel. Wala kang isipin. Basta naka-on at kung tatlo, okay na yan. So, off mo. May, pag nag-first gear ka, may first gear lockout to.
Okay.
So, pag first gear mo,
Oo.
hindi, not mo.
Oh.
Yeah, first gear na yan.
Oh.
So, taas mo lang yan, ganyan.
Okay.
So, second gear mo.
Oh.
Okay. Tapos third gear mo, hindi mo na mababalik ng second gear. Fourth na yan. Diretso ka sa fourth.
Ah, okay.
Oo. So, pagkano, ibabalik mo lang siya.
So, kailan ko pipindutin yan?
After mo mag-burn out. Pagka naka-staging ka na.
Pero kailangan naka first gear na siya.
kailangan naka-first gear ka na.
Ito yung show car dati, di ba?
Yes, nag-best of show natin yan.
Ito may parachute dati.
Yes, meron yan. Dito ka.
May parachute. It's so fast. Sabi niyo wala. Okay. So, ganun lang din. Ganun lang din ang tunog pag nasa... Okay, so ang bilis ang tibok ng puso ko. So it's going to be an exciting and nerve-wracking weekend. So subaybayan nyo to. And also, i-highlight natin sa vlog na to kung magkano ba ang kailangan mong pera if ever you want to have a weekend sa NDRC racing weekend. Diba? So i-breakdown natin lahat ng magiging expenses natin. Labas yung kotse, syempre, kasi di naman atin yung kotse. So yun. Okay? Let's go! So, it's on. Fuel pump.
Tangina. Di nata sa sakyan to eh.
Kahit mo ako, di ko makita.
Naririnig mo yung ano, yung gasolina na uubos eh. Putang ina mo! Stable! Tangina. Hinihila ka lang niya pa diretso pero tangina stable.
Gago, alam mo yung setting ng kotse? Oo. Hinihigop ako sa liko.
Gago?
Pang circuit eh.
Ah!
Oo. Parang gusto lumiko. Tama ko sa manibela, dalawang kamay. Pero guess ko na yung cambio.
Pero hindi naman siya pipitikin, no?
Paano pipitikin? Gusto ko mabante.
Bagay.
Say hi. What are we going to do today?
We're gonna ride a race car to go to school, guys.
Say thank you to Tito Ace. Say thank you to Tito Ace.
Thank you, Tito Ace.
Shout out.
Why?
Shout out ng Tito Ace mo. Not noisy? Are you sure? You want to hear some noise?
Siyempre, may rolling cage.
Para?
Para safe.
Hey, what's this?
Cage yun. Muffler. Big wing gang. Siyempre, may switches. Aluminum radiator. Cage throttle. Siyempre, may traction bar. This bumper it's made from carbon 101. Carbon fiber. Siyempre, may mga stickers ng Tucson. Siyempre, Venturi.
Anong tunog ng IV Tech?
If you want to swap your car, go to Powerhouse.
Habibi, how you open? How you open, Habibi? Don't forget, I'm European. Open, Habibi, open. Okay, you see a big engine, a little car. Big engine plus small car, good power. Very good, high power. You see a gold? Because we are rich. You see all metal. You see a Powerhouse. Powerhouse, a very good shop. Habibi, very good shop. Everything here, not stock. No stock. Wait. You see here, you point the camera. You see a fuel pump. We change many things. We no run a stock fuel pump anymore. This is a surge tank?
Yeah.
Yeah. Surge tank, okay. So we are now running Petron Place 100 for maximum efficiency in power output when tuning this thing. So you will expect a very high horse. 255 to wheel, right? 255 from wheel. So what can I say? So I wish Mr. Tusoka put lock this weekend for this second leg of NKRC. So let us wish very good luck to our team. Okay, but I wish this thing and him, I wish he will win. For like I say, this is a very good engine, huh? So very good call. So thank you for supporting our business, and I would like to say
Okay, so good morning. It's Saturday morning and we are about to leave for Clark. So let's go. Time check, 3 a.m. Let's go. Okay, so we arrived at Maharaja Hotel. So time check, it is 5:30 a.m. Medyo napaaga kami ng biyahe, napabilis yung biyahe namin. Kasi maduwag eh. Ayan o. So Sir Ian, diyan ko lang speedometer kaya napabilis yung biyahe. Just shout out kay Sir Ian, siya nag-assist sa atin dito sa The Maharaja Hotel. So if ever kakarera kayo ng weekend, this is one good place na pwede kayo mag-check-in kasi ang lapit lang sa racetrack. So mamaya i-compute natin kung magkano yung accommodation natin. Kasi 'di ba sa vlog na to, ililista natin lahat ng magagastos natin ngayong weekend sa Clark International Speedway for a race weekend. Let's go! The Maharaja. Relax muna tayo dito. Kasi mga 7:30 alis tayo. Punta na tayo ng racetrack. So you got RJ.
Yo.
You got Joon Burat.
Yo.
So sa mga naghahanap kay Bennett for the last couple of weeks, ayun siya. Boy pa pala, proof of life. Bakit nasira pa yung messenger mo? Baka ka-share mo ng bold. Morning has broken here in Pampanga. And we are checked in at the Maharaja. Pakita ko yung rate nung room kanina sa baba. Parang 2.8. Ito, good for 4 people. So, if you have your crew with you, pwede na, 2.8, tig sa 700 lang kayo. Diba? So, kukompute na natin yun. So, una nagpagas tayo, 2,600 plus toll. Magkano toll? 700?
Hindi. 3 something.
300 plus mo, mga
300 lang ba?
380, 390.
Toll. Tapos, ito, hotel, 2.8. Okay, so we are here at McDonald's. Breakfast muna tayo. So, nakapag-register na tayo. So, if you are a walk-in participant for the race, it's and then you pay on the day, it's going to be 6,000 pesos for your race day. Kasama na yung bukas. Now, if you register in advance, or like a few days before, online, it's going to be parang 4,600 plus 400 na day pass for the AAP license. So parang 5,000. So makakatipid ka ng 1,000 kapag online ka at maaga ka nag-register for NDRC. Okay, so nakapila na tayo dito. Practice. It is what time is it? 8:30 in the morning. So may kasabay na event yung NDRC ngayon, which is the Rama 9 drag diesel. So yeah, let's go. I'm scared. Nakabahan ako. Ang makina ka na?
Head lang.
Tatlong head. Kailan yun? Neto lang?
Nung trial and error pa, nung year 2019
mga ganun, boss. 21, sorry. 21, 22, gano'n.
Mga 3-4 years na yung makina.
Oo, tapos after na wala na.
3-4 seasons na.
Tapos nahuli niyo yung...
Nahuli na niya, yung, syempre may konting parts na pinalitan, pinatibay ng konti, and then nag-golden wheel na siya. Sanay na siya umakit na.
Ikaw ba nagbunon? So nagkakapustahan kami dito. Nagkakapustahan kami sa Innova na yan kung ano magiging oras niya. Dahil first time itatakbo sa quarter mile yung Innova. So ikaw, anong oras ng ano mo?
Estimate ko 12.3.
Ako 13.2. 12.8.
I'm blind.
Wala pa. Okay, so ano pangalan mo? Hans will be piloting that Innova. So, money game to, money game.
What's up?
Yes, sir?
Nothing.
Yes, sir? Chill na chill talaga si Manong. Si Manoy! Chill na chill si Manoy. Mag-swimming mamaya, naka-brief.
By the way, we need car number 48 and 23 at the starting line, please. Car number 48 and car number 23 to the starting line, please. As we take a look at JC on the 165. That's Jamil Joseph de la Cruz, Pampanga's very own, from Santo Tomas, Pampanga, against the Honda Civic 136. Of Ramon Tanquiatco from Powerhouse Tucson, from Marikina City. Tucson gets the win. Ramon Tanquiatco gets the win. Powerhouse Race Specialist gets the win. Congratulations.
Okay, so it's Sunday race day. So we're running at the expert class. Nasa winner's bracket tayo after the first round of elimination. Hopefully matuloy-tuloy natin to. Sana hindi masira yung momentum natin. Let's go. Okay, so our race weekend is over. We got eliminated at the on the fourth round. So, ayun. Well, ganun talaga. That's what it is. So we'll better try luck next time. And hopefully we bag something. Or we do better next time. So, what did we get from this experience? Na-realize natin na it's called expert for a reason, no? Hindi siya yung class na yun, hindi siya basta-basta. Okay? Competition is tight. Small factors mean a lot when it comes to your 60 foot, when it comes to your trap speed. Pero mainly because mainly the pinaka crucial talaga is your 60 foot. Kasi once you improve your 60 foot, or once you have a good 60 foot, it will carry out for the whole quarter mile na. So yeah. So it's not called expert for no reason, no. So yeah, will we be doing this again? Yes, definitely yes. Hihiritan natin si Ace na lagyan ng slicks para ma-experience naman natin kung anong pakiramdam pag naka-slicks naman. Kasi isa yun sa mga hindi ko pa na-experience din. Slicks. So, regarding yung personal best natin, did we reach our personal target, which is the 13.5 quarter mile time? Unfortunately, no, but we managed a 13.8, which is a second faster than my personal best. So, yeah, I could consider it as a good weekend. Diba? So, yeah. So we're back in the shop. Nakakapagod mag-drive, walang aircon, mainit. Pag hapon, i-drive yung sasakyan. Pag madaling araw, okay. So again, we'd like to thank Powerhouse Race Specialist, Ace and Agustin for lending us the car, DJ Tyson for track support, on the Nerd RJ for my support guy during the race, Choon for coaching, Jeremy Cabreros, Jer Tuning, Glenn Ramos, thank you. Aijin and the team of Biang, maraming salamat. The Maharaja Hotel, sino ba? Sa mga nakalimutan ko pasalamatan, thank you. Pagod ako. Okay guys, so sa mga nagtatanong kung meron bang kotseng malakas or pwede ba ang kotse malakas pero matipid. So, itong K24 na to ng Powerhouse Race Specialists is 255 wheel horsepower, 190 torque. In layman's terms, malakas. So, nagpagas ako ng 1 full tank which is 39 liters in Marikina. Inikot-ikot ko yung kotse dito lang sa Marikina Heights for 3 days. So, onti lang, di nabawasan yun. Umalis ako ng Marikina, full tank pa. Pumunta ako ng Clark International Speedway. Naglaro ako ng NDRC. Ng Saturday practice, race day ng Sunday. Tapos, umuwi ako from Clark International Speedway, Clark, Pampanga, to Marikina. And, guess what? Nakikita niyo yung fuel ko? Meron pang 1/4. Hanep na kotse to. Hanep, di ba? Hanep. So, if you want to know how, mag-message ka sa Powerhouse Race Specialists. Okay, so we promised to brief you a breakdown of the money that you'll spend if you plan to run a race weekend in the NDRC, Clark International Speedway. So here it is. Yan ang total expenditure namin for one race weekend. So that covers Saturday and Sunday. We were a crew of 4 people. Go. Okay, so fuel, blaze lang kinarga namin sa full tank yan. That was 39 liters. So that was enough to get to Clark, race, and then go back home to Marikina. Galing, at tipid kasi ng kotse ni Ace. Galing. Gulat ako. Akala ko I'd be spending more on fuel, no? Surprisingly, that's all I needed. Tollgate. So it's NLEX, tapos Esitex, going to Clark, tapos pauwi, ganun ulit. Esitex, tapos NLEX, Mindanao Avenue, etc. Okay, so the next would be hotel. So the Maharaja Hotel in Angeles is 2.8, and the 2.8 is good for 4 people na 4 na tao na pwede matulog. It's 2 big ass beds na in that room, no? So 4 will be comfortable. So kung meron kang kasamang, kung may 5th kayo, pwede kayo mag-request ng extra bed siguro. Pero syempre may additional. So let's say for example you have a crew of 3 plus you. So yun, 2.8 Maharaja Hotel, shout out. Tapos entry fee 6,000 pesos if on the day ka sasali. Pero kung advance ka sumali, do it online for something lang. Laki ng parang less 1,000. So makakatipid ka pag online. Next is food, meals and food. So hindi na kami kumain sa magagandang restaurant. Kumakain kami dun sa Edwin's Sisig. So paglabas mo ng Clark, kakaliwa kang ganon. After ng kalsada ng bus terminal sa Dao, abante ka pa onte, tapos hanapin mo yung mausok na lugar, hanapin mo yung Edwin's Sisig. Solid. So a meal, ganyan kalaki sisig, parang 150 lang. So doon lang kami nagkakakain. Malaki na gastos namin sa water. Kasi lumabas kami, bumili kami ng ice at saka mineral water sa 7-Eleven. So kung gusto nyo makatipid, edi dito pa lang bumili na kayo. Ice chest na lang banatan. Tapos yun. So that's about it. So we've spent a total of 4,000 something, 14,000 something. 14,000 and some change for one weekend at the Clark International Speedway, NDRC.
Yeah, you heard that. Let's go. Pro class in the winner's bracket as we make way for more of the experts here. Tussauds, Ramon Tanquiatco, in collaboration with Powerhouse Race Specialist, looking like he's going to get this in the bag unless he breaks out. He did not, so he scores a victory here. By the way, we need car number 48 and 23 at the starting line, please. Car number 48 and car number 23 to the starting line, please. As we take a look at JC on the 165. That's Jamil Joseph de la Cruz, Pampanga's very own, from Santo Tomas, Pampanga, against the Honda Civic 136. Of Ramon Tanquiatco from Powerhouse Tussauds from Marikina City. Tussauds gets the win. Ramon Tanquiatco gets the win. Powerhouse Race Specialist gets the win. Congratulations.